it's Ben All with Keller Williams Realty, Bellamax Realty Group, and today we are in Keller, Texas. We're in a great neighborhood that actually is where I live. It's Silver Lake. We're right off of Patio, just a little bit south of 1709 here in Keller. And this is just an amazing neighborhood. A little biased, but it's just absolutely unbelievable. Gated, we've got walking trails, we've got a fabulous lake in the neighborhood, water feature, very quaint. We've got about 78 homes in here, and they are all just luxury villa homes. So low maintenance. HOA includes the yard maintenance, not your flower beds, but yard maintenance. The house that we're going to see today is at 700 Silver Lake, and this is just an exceptional home. Brian Adams Custom Villa. I was built in 2013. We're right at 2,500 square feet. It is a two-story, but the only thing that's upstairs is a living area, a bedroom, and a private bath. So it's like a separate master up there. Very, very accommodating to guests, teenager, whoever might need that space up there. The house is just finished exquisitely. We've got crown moldings that are just layered upon layered, coffered ceilings, beamed ceilings, high-end granite, spa-like bathroom. It's just a treat for you guys to come take a look at it. So come on in, let's see 700 Silver Lake here in the Silver Lake subdivision in Keller. So as you come in, you can see the features in this home are just unbelievable. The attention to detail and just the luxury finishes. It will just absolutely astound you that this is available in the price point that we have this home listed at. You can see very open floor plan, high ceilings. I want you to pay attention to all of the detail of the ceilings, the crown moldings. We've got hand scraped hardwood floors throughout. We have plantation shutters throughout pretty much the entire home. And then I want you just to kind of look at this kitchen and just kind of absorb all of the detail that's here. Great center island, gas cooktop, oven, microwave, beautiful backsplash, exquisite marble tops, and just the amount of light that's coming in. This particular home sits on a unique lot here in our neighborhood because it is on a corner, and it's one of only two in the neighborhood that affords a rear side entry garage. So it really opens up the floor plan, and it opens up the light in the house. And you can kind of see that as we walk through. You've got all of this natural light coming in from the side. You've got just a wonderful outdoor space here, side yard, private, cathedral ceilinged patio, extra patio space. So just a great spot to sit out and enjoy the day. And if we go to the left, you'll see the master. I want you to just look at how huge this master is. Not only do you have just very high volume ceilings and all of the features in there, but you've got basically two sitting areas in here. Very large master suite, can accommodate a whole abundance of different ways to live and use the space. And then you'll see you pass through into the spa-like master bath. You've got dual vanities, stand-up shower, separate tub, huge closet as we walk through. And then it is a pass-through closet, so you'll walk into kind of a built-in office space here at the back, and then the laundry room. And then as I mentioned, as we go upstairs, you'll see hardwood floors on the stairway, hardwood floors up. You come into the living area upstairs, and then the private bedroom and bathroom. So just a great space for older family member that might be visiting, long-term guests, kids that come in. Just a great private area. And as I mentioned, at the back of the house is the two-car garage. So again, remember, this is 700 Silver Lake here in Keller, Texas. Absolutely exquisite home. Love to have you guys take a look at it and make it yours. Ben All, Keller Williams Realty. Reach out and give me a call.